Good morning, traders. Today marks the beginning of a new month, and of course, we've got some critical economic data releases that could set the tone for the markets. We have initial jobless claims, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, and ISM Manufacturing PMI. But let's start with a small recap. Yesterday's session was a roller coaster. The market opened up with a sharp 115-point drop during the New York session, breaching all recent lows. However, buyers stepped in at the 5,455 imbalance, reversing the decline and propelling the ES up by 146 points. And the session closed at 5,620, a level we've been eyeing all week, bringing us back into March close and April open. Let's dive in and see the key developments. The 10-day volume profile is currently one time framing up with a low at 5,127, with the next big resistance zone being this point of control cluster between 5,660 and 5,670. A break above this cluster could see us powering through previous value areas established before March's initial drop. Both the weekly and daily charts are flipping bullish. We are now trying to build volume above this 5,620 level. Key areas to watch is this 5,660 to 5,672 POC. Failure to break above 5,572 may result in sellers regaining control. Let's have a look at yesterday's price action on the 2-hour Delta chart. We see a failed breakdown below the weekly VWAP following the GDP news. Responsive buying pushed price back beyond the second standard deviation, indicating strong buyer interest. And on the TPO, we see a very thin outside profile attempting to maintain value around Monday's and Tuesday's POC, but the market rallied above this zone, leaving a small single print area just beneath the closing price, suggesting potential for a continued upward movement. On the 1-hour chart, we see that price has re-entered the range from the first week of April, where significant sellers were previously active. The focus now is on sustaining bullish momentum to overcome these resistance levels. So as for a game plan today, our line in the sand will be 5,660, which is the beginning of the high volume node and close to March closing level. The bull targets are 5,672, 5,695 and 5,725. As for bear targets, we have 5,625, 5,607 and 5,578. So guys, as the first trading day of the month, institutional players are likely to establish new positions, potentially leading to range-bound action. Be cautious of fake outs and ensure confirmation before committing to trades. As always, stay disciplined, manage your risk. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest market analysis. All links and the daily game plan are in the description. Stay safe.